Okay. Uh, Let me tell you how to use our YouTube channel as well. Okay. Okay. So Commerce Thaksalawa is its name. And let's say you missed out a class also. Okay. What you have to do is you have to go to the playlists. Firstly, let's say there are revisions we do, the quick revisions. And if you want to quickly revise it, you can go to this quick revision section. Okay. This playlist, you can go to quick revisions playlist and you can uh, watch it as to what are the sections you want to revise. Now we have three things in it: purchase journal, quick revision, adjusting the bank account and and preparing balance from the last lesson, and the trade discount and cash discount revision. Okay, that is about the quick revisions. Let's say there is exam tomorrow and you want to revise something very quickly, then you can do that quick revision. Okay. Then there are practice questions. Okay. Let's say now, for example, you missed last week. Uh, is it here? Yeah. Okay. Let's say you missed a sales journal question or purchase journal question from the last week. Okay. Then if you want to revise the just the lesson, like just that question or that exercise, you can go to this one and click it and revise it. Okay. You can simply, like, let's say that you want to you want to revise your knowledge in a adjusting the bank account balance and preparing uh, bank account question. Then you can simply go to this thing and look at it. Okay. Let's say you want to revise your memory in bank reconciliation statement question. Then you can simply go to this and revise it. Okay. That is about the question. Then there are some important parts. Okay. Then I have recorded them these in here. Okay. Like chunks. Let's say now you want to revise your knowledge in bank reconciliation statement. Then you can go to this section and revise it. Let's say you want to know why the bank account balance and bank statement balance differ. Then you can go to this video and revise it. Okay. Your knowledge. Then this is about short videos. Okay. Nothing much. You can just have a look over it. Then you have your class sessions here. Okay. 2026 O level, your class sessions. Let's say that you missed last week. Okay. Then what you can do is it's here: purchase journal and sales journal and general journal part 1. So it's just 57 minutes because we have cut what is inside. I mean, like some of the things we discuss in the class, like sort of like individual questions, we do not record it. And on the other hand, the times that you have to record the note and all that, we record it here. Okay. Now let's say you are watching it, and if and in between the way, now let's say now around this section you have a question. What you have to do is you have to post the video, and then you can, like, let's say if you want to ask a question, you can mention the time and send me a WhatsApp, or else you can comment here. Let's say it's 17 minute, put the minute and ask me the question as to what is the thing you want to revise. Okay. That is how it works. So if you all have any suggestions, drop me a message. Then I can add it to the YouTube channel. Okay.